Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Tarot des Ambiguïtés. Hopefully I am pronouncing that correctly. I know I'm probably not. This is a Tarot de Marseille that is reimagined and illustrated by Alejandro R Rozan. This is published by Artisan Tarot and it retails for $53. It is an independent deck, and as always in the description box below I will link where you can purchase this should you want to, and whilst you're there I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Alright, so thank you so much to Artisan Tarot for sending this deck our way. I am really excited. There is something to be said about a traditional looking Tarot de Marseille. So this is a nice tuck box. Alrighty, let's get into it. I'm excited. Oop. Okay. Ooh, look at the back. It's like the cover. That is nice. Ooh, it feels nice. It is that linen. Hopefully, there you go. You can see that. Ooh, I love a linen deck. And it has like a slight gloss to it. I wouldn't call it a high gloss. And the cardstock, very flexible. I'm sure this is going to shuffle so nice. Okay, so thank you. Oh, cute. And then here we go. The Tarot des Ambiguïtés is a reimagination of the Tarot de Marseille, faithful to its style and inspired by its symbolism. A vibrant narrative emerges from its evocative art, hand-drawn by Alejandro R Rozan in Cuba. Details of this original deck are explored in Tarot Shapeshifter, its guidebook written by Stephen Bright in the UK. These powerful images were designed to enhance the intuition of seasoned readers and excite newcomers to the rich and evolving tarot tradition. So like it says, this is not with a guidebook, but you can go and purchase one should you want to. If not, you can always use a resource, tarot resource guide too. And the titles will be in French, and I believe there are extra cards in English. They are numbered at the top as well. I love how it feels antique, but at the same time fresh. I like the style of art too. Very bold colors, vibrant, but keeping with the traditional symbolism and art style of the Tarot de Marseille. Justice being the 8th card. I like his lantern up there. And we have Strength being 11. A lot to look at. I like that it looks like a style of like the wood cutting. Like I said, I love the antique mixed with like the fresh modern feel. That's interesting. All right. And then it's going to go into the minors here. And the minors are, they should be what you call like pip decks. And that is the tradition of Tarot de Marseille. And we have the Roman numerals on either side there. If you love numerology, this is the type of deck that would work for you. If you like to base your readings off of numerology, pip decks are normally the way to go. However, but if you choose to like pip decks, that's great too. This is a good deck for that as well. This is more going to be like the traditional way, or I shouldn't say way, but the traditional art style of the Tarot de Marseille. The foot. Sorry, I just realized that. All right, now we've got cups. I like that it's the heart. That makes a lot of sense to me. I like that. Oh. So now looks like pentacles are heads. Interesting. That's so interesting. All right, let's see how it shuffles. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, it feels really good in the hand. It's a great size. Very flexible. It snaps back. Ooh, it shuffles nice this way too. Ooh. Yeah. I think if you are someone who likes a more traditional looking deck with a little modern spin to it, this is right up your alley. I know a lot of you like pip decks, so this might be something to check out if you are looking for a more traditional feeling deck, if you're looking for something that's not so modern, if you're looking for something that is maybe a little on the macabre side without being too macabre. Feeling a little bit old-fashioned, this might be for you. I think there's value in this. Personally, this might be a little frustrating for me to read just because of how my eyes are. It might take me a minute to adjust which card is which, but that is just a personal problem for me. But I do like how the art is. I feel like it's fresh, it's new, it's different. I have never seen a deck that had heads be pentacles and cups be hearts and wands be feet, calves. Like, it's very interesting and very different and unique, but it still feels very traditional. Like I said, traditional but fresh and fun. So I'm impressed. Thank you so much to the Artisan Tarot for sending this deck my way. I'm really excited to start playing around with it. The quality is great. So for an independent deck, I am not mad at the price. And like I said, if you are someone who needs a guidebook, they do offer a guidebook on their website as well. Or if you have a favorite reference book, this would be fine for that too. So I would love to know what you guys think about this deck. If you have seen this before, if this is fresh or new to you, let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you never miss an upload from me, and it really helps the channel out when you do so. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.